automotive industry. They ensure robust connections in vehicle wiring. The machine precisely controls the temperature and amount of solder used. This ensures a clean, consistent bond every time. There are different types of wire soldering machines, including manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic models. Manual soldering machines require an operator to control the process. Semi-automatic machines automate some aspects, reducing the manual effort needed. Fully automatic machines handle the entire process, offering high speed and precision. Each type of machine has its advantages, depending on the specific needs of the task. Using wire soldering machines has several benefits. They provide precise, reliable connections that are essential for electrical systems. The machines speed up the soldering process, increasing productivity.